Hello everyone, it is my great pleasure to invite you to be part of our upcoming course that will be held in Dubai on May 28th. This course will be organized by CAPP Middle East and it will be focusing on narrow ridges solution, and we will be presenting a new revolutionized solution for narrow ridges, the piezo implant. The piezo implant is a new paradigm. The piezo implant is a new geometry that will allow you to place implants in narrow ridges without having to go through heavy procedures, without having to go through bone grafting techniques, and avoiding complications, avoiding challenges, and avoiding extra cost for your patient. This course will be divided into a theoretical part, but it will be followed by a practical part where we'll be using this piezo surgery, this new technology that will allow you to place the piezo implant into narrow ridges in a very predictable and efficient way. See you in Dubai. Thank you.